Plant FAQs. Autumn Rocket Camellia. Autumn Rocket Camellia, fall showstopper in bloom. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Autumn Rocket Camellia, a captivating evergreen shrub that graces landscapes with its elegant presence year-round. But it's the fall spectacle that truly steals the show. What makes the Autumn Rocket Camellia special? This Camellia sasanqua cultivar boasts a classic upright form, reaching a mature height of 8 to 10 feet, with a manageable spread of 3 to 4 feet. Its dense, deep green foliage remains glossy throughout the year, adding a touch of life even in the colder months. But the crown jewel is undoubtedly the captivating display of blooms in late fall and early winter. Picture this: delicate pink buds unfurl to reveal stunning, semi-double white flowers with a creamy white center. These beauties stand out against the backdrop of dark green leaves, adding a touch of elegance and serenity to the fall and winter landscape. In my garden, the Autumn Rocket Camellia has been a real standout with its striking red blooms that brighten up the fall, whereas the autumn moon, while lovely, has a subtler, paler hue that doesn't quite capture my attention as much. How to plant Autumn Rocket Camellia. The Autumn Rocket Camellia thrives in zones 7 to 9, where it can bask in the dappled sunlight of a part-shade location. Well-drained, slightly acidic soil is key for optimal growth. Amending the soil with organic matter like compost before planting is recommended. Dig a hole twice the width of the root ball and slightly deeper. Gently loosen the roots and place the shrub in the hole, ensuring the root flare sits level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole, water thoroughly, and apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. How to care for Autumn Rocket Camellia. Regular watering is essential, especially during the first year of establishment and during periods of drought. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once established, your camellia can tolerate drier periods. Fertilize lightly in early spring with a fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants. Pruning is optional but can be done after flowering to maintain the desired shape and size. Pests and diseases. The Autumn Rocket Camellia is relatively pest and disease-resistant. However, keep an eye out for common camellia problems like scale, aphids, and camellia petal blight. Early detection and treatment with organic methods whenever possible is recommended. How much sun does the Autumn Rocket Camellia need? Partial shade is ideal for the Autumn Rocket Camellia. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves and flowers. How fast does the Autumn Rocket Camellia grow? This camellia is considered a slow to moderate grower, typically putting on 12 to 18 inches per year. Is the Autumn Rocket Camellia deer resistant? Yes, deer tend to leave the Autumn Rocket Camellia alone. This makes it a great choice for areas with deer browsing problems. Can I grow the Autumn Rocket Camellia in a container? Yes, the Autumn Rocket Camellia can be grown in a container as long as the pot is large enough to accommodate its mature size. Choose a pot with drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. What are some good companion plants for the Autumn Rocket Camellia? Azaleas, rhododendrons, ferns, and hostas are all excellent choices for planting alongside your Autumn Rocket Camellia. Autumn Rocket Camellia versus chrysanthemums. Both are fantastic fall bloomers, but the Autumn Rocket Camellia offers a more permanent and elegant solution. Chrysanthemums are herbaceous perennials that die back in winter, requiring replanting each year. Autumn Rocket Camellia versus witch hazel. Witch hazel also provides a burst of color in fall, but its flowers are typically smaller and less showy than those of the Autumn Rocket Camellia. Additionally, witch hazel prefers full sun, while the camellia prefers partial shade. By bringing the Autumn Rocket Camellia into your landscape, you'll be adding a touch of timeless beauty that provides interest throughout the year. With its easygoing nature and stunning fall blooms, this camellia is sure to become a cherished favorite in your garden.